So we're now checking out the waterfalls. It's still pretty windy here, but there's 3 waterfalls where we're going and a massive bridge.
3 waterfalls.
3 waterfalls. Well, one's not going to be going because it has been raining. So 2 waterfalls and we're a massive bridge.
It hasn't really rained since we've been in South Korea.
Yeah, so it's been pretty good in the weather situation for us, which has been great. Ange always picks, whenever we go traveling, Ange always picks a time where the weather is like the best temperature for us. We like to go when it's around 19, I'd say 19 degrees. So a little bit chilly, so when you walk around, it's, you know, you're not too hot. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, what? Yan.
Welcome to South Korea.
And through your arms. Oh look, another hill. Awesome. Wow, this is so far away though, hey. So far away. I think you probably have to walk up it, hike up it or whatever. So the 3rd waterfall, but well, we enjoyed our time here today at the Botanical Gardens and also at the falls. We hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And we'll be talking to you later in Osaka, Japan. Annyeong!